whistle. Mohammad Hafiz there poking at that line, and it's well taken in the second slip. Early exit. Kamran Akmal is the man in at number 3, and straight away some extra piece of lift for Irfan. He lacks them there. Oh, that's misfielded. And Imran Khalid was a fielder, all-rounder. Room and sped across at a lightning pace. Oh, smacked. Splendid shot, picked up the length early and pulled it right out of the middle of the bat. Oh, neatly done. That has done the distance.
Akmal, he's picked the length well. Not a lot of footwork towards the line of the ball, but you don't need to when you've got hand-eye coordination like that.
Full toss runs, 4 of them.
All the way for 6, top edge. And that has travelled a mighty long way.
With massive edges. He felt that he was in trouble, but cleared the fence in the end. That was crisp and beautifully timed.
Smacked away, that'll be 4. That's down the leg side, and that'll go for 4. This could be 4 leg buys. 4 leg buys it is. As you'd expect after your 6 overs, power play's finished. Bang, down the pitch. 1 bounce, 4. Good clean hit. Oh, skimmer! Big swing, big hit. Long carry, 6.
Absolutely hammered. God.
चलें, बहुत शुक्रिया मोमना आपका, and all the best.
It's a handsome shot. That's cleared the fence. It's another 6. Kamran Akmal is looking in very ominous form here tonight. Opening match of HBL PSL.
Lovely little shimmy outside leg and opens up that extra cover region. Splendid stuff. Picked his spot, fatted it.
Just paddles it round the leg side this time. And it's a half century for Kamran Akmal. He didn't have 1 half century all last year in the PSL, and he started this tournament with 1 in the opening match. So Milan on strike though. Down the pitch he comes, and he's belted that. That's a big hit from Milan.
Previous over, this one, great balance coming down the wicket.
Keep running. Don't worry about running with this, baby. It has gone all the way. Brilliant.
Oh, he's got a snick there. Keeper didn't stand a chance. That's flown off the bat, and that's a cool and cool 4. Caught hold of this. Goodness me, this is an exhibition of fierce hitting. Some glum faces.
Right hand, left hand combination, left arm spinner. Milan in on the act.
Well, they're not going to get a breakthrough with that because it has gone a very, very long way.
The boundaries are 65. To the fence, it's about 70 or more.
Well, you can't bowl there. Short, fine, is up in the circle. Well, just make sure he's A-OK here, because that was a nasty fall.
Because this partnership is threatening to take the game away from United. For 14 in his first over. And more runs, that's bad bowling on the pads, gone for 4.
It's slapped through the offside, and some good fielding. That's what they need on the boundary line in particular, because the boundary line's been tepid. Well, goes for the pull shot. It is skied. There is an opportunity here for a big wicket, and it's juggled and it's taken. Well, heart-in-mouth stuff.
Would tend to do is mix his length up. The first two balls of the over was a yorker, then there was one with width on it, and then this one that may have just rushed the batsman just a little bit of extra bounce too. Finally held after some moments of anguish.
Nobody without you guys. What's happening? Oh, is that a wicket? I'm not sure. Is that another wicket gone? I'm not so sure it is.
Bold. Simple as that. Owen Morgan reaching forward, has got through his defences and it's clipped the top of off. So at the end of the day, the scorecard is going to say Owen Morgan bowled. Zalmi were just absolutely flying. They've got the double wicket.
T20 cricket. Oh, massive! That really is humongous. That is 6.5. Surety. There's that nice blow of the bat, hitting the ball crisply as ever.
Ramesh Raja, you said when spin was introduced that Akmal loves it and can hit to all parts of the ground, and he's certainly showing that at the moment. Goes with some width on this occasion and bangs it through the offside. Well, the 6 off the first ball.
Sammy's got a lot on his plate as he steams in. Gonski! Mispa round the corner's done the trick. Captain gets rid of the danger man.
Well, this is the end of Cameron Akmal. Didn't get into a position really to put that away. There's that rather ungainly looking swing, but it brings in the rewards.
That one just short enough for him to rock back, and that big swing of the bat. Very, very strong. Even if he doesn't get all of it, it's the maximum.
There's also been a wicket Islamabad United की तरफ से मोहम्मद इरफान ने Daryl Sammy को आउट कर.
Oh, and Brad Haddon has missed that, and it's missed everything. Umpire's given byes. Short again, and Misbah pouches another one, and once again it's the short ball from Shane Watson. Short and a nick and gone. Shane Watson once again with the short ball, and he's got 2 in 2. That is a quack.
Afridi, short ball nowhere near the middle of the bat, just spooned it up. Misbah accepts gleefully, and next another short ball, and it's nicked to the keeper. So Shane Watson doing the job.
Top edge, straight up, Brad Haddon, can he get there? Oh yes, he can. That's a good catch. That's a very nice looking shot. It's 1 bounce 4 because there's no long off. Ooh, smack this. That is a real smack. No wonder he's smiling. Who's underneath this? Who wants it? Ahmad takes the simple catch. Any one of 3 could have caught it, but Shane Watson eventually bowls one on the sticks, and he gets Hassan Ali. He's gone for 4. It's 182 for 9. Jordan's on strike. Now that's gone into the stats. That's 6.
Dragged down and disappears. It's not a boom, that's a car boom.
The HBL 6 counter is 11. Oh, hello. Tried to get the Yorker up there. They'll have to look for a second, and they've got it as well. So they get to the 190. Shane Watson finishes with 4 for 44. An expensive last over from him, but